So if you're running into usage limits or high token costs when you're using AI, NVIDIA gives you access to 80 plus state-of-the-art AI models for free. All you have to do is go to build.nvidia.com and then make sure you have the free endpoint filter enabled. And NVIDIA gives you access to a ton of state-of-the-art models that just released, like MiniMax M3. You can even use Kimi K2. There's also GLM 5.1 as well as DeepSeek V4. And so if you actually just click into one of these models, all you have to do from here is actually just go and generate an API key and you can start using this model. Now the one caveat is you will get rate limited. I believe it's 40 requests per minute. But if you're just experimenting with a model or using it for an internal use case, this is just free access to some of the most state-of-the-art, most intelligent models in the ecosystem today. Now here's a basic Python script to show that this is actually legit. So I'm using GLM 5.1. Here's the API key that NVIDIA gave me. So if we actually run this in an interactive window, it's going to spin up and say that it is GLM5, a large language model from ZAI, and then it gives some information on the best use cases. That's the prompt that I gave it right here. But if we actually come in here and switch out the model and have this as MiniMax, and then we run the same script again, it's just going to run through this, and then it's going to probably update it and say, you know, who this model is and who the creators are. So ideally, this is going to come back with saying that this is the MiniMax model. Okay, so the output took a little bit longer than I expected, but it did come back saying that this is MiniMax, developed by the company MiniMax, and then here are the use cases that it's used for, which is reasoning, writing, and coding, and then translation. That's the video for today. I post about AI and sales on this channel, specifically how you can leverage AI to be able to generate more pipeline and close more customers. So if you like that kind of content, follow me here.